prize for the first woman who has a lipstick on. And then we'll make her kiss one of the guys and he can win a gift as well.
Shruti, I love this. Now the two of us are operating like the Indian government. Okay, do we have somebody in the house? Guys, come on. We need your active participation. Ladies.
So, ladies with makeup, any woman who's carrying a lipstick with her, just go to Savio and you will win a little goodie.
Yeah.
Any women carrying makeup, a lipstick. Okay, we have someone walking up in the striped t-shirt there. On the right. Yes, ma'am. Hurry up and get to Savio.
I hope you all can see me.
Woo, here she is. There she comes to your right, There she is.
Am I right? Yes. She's bought an eyeshadow and she's come.
No. We need a lipstick.
She's arguing with me. It's not an eyeshadow. It's a lipstick. I'm sorry. Maaf karo, ma. What is... Hey, madam, this is not lipstick, yeah? I have 4 sisters. I have never seen anything like this. I think I don't stay in the house. I'm a tourist.
Any lady carrying a lipstick, please find Savio.
Shruti, you should see this. Cost cutting at its best. This is the smallest lipstick I've ever seen in my life. What's the video camera? Zara zoom karna.
Micro lipstick.
Hey, no, but you have to show people what's come out in the world. Small cell phones have come. Small lipstick bhi aaya hai. Very good, lovely. What is this 1.5 inch? This is what? This is what? 1 week back. Hey, ma'am, please come here. What's your good name?
Pratha.
Pratha, you only first name. Give me passport name, no, please. Surname?
Pratha.
Okay, we're going to give her the prize because she was first. She's come with the pencil. I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you one. You know why? Because you've come up with something very unique. I don't know some other ladies were around, but they've just disappeared. So we are going to give... Yeah, you want to share it with her? Or shall I share it? What is your good name? She's saying, no, I'm not sharing. I thought Birla Sun Life. I thought you were only sharing and caring. What's your name? You all are from the same team. So, I'll give you half of a prize that you'll share. What is your name? Meena Nair. I love that. Okay, where's my... this is... Please look into the camera. Zoom TV is covering this live. Thank you so much, ladies. Give them a big round of applause.
Can we please give them a huge round of applause, everybody? Once again, but I want to ask Pritha, are you going to be sporting enough and smack someone on the cheek with your lipstick so that they can win something as well?
Give them a kiss, please. Listen, I'm from BJP. That is my political party. It's called Bahut Zyada Pyar. Okay, I don't want the guys to feel left out, so we're looking at 4 stoutest guys. 4 stoutest guys. If you think you're fat, we need 4 guys to come forward. And we're gonna do one quick. Oh, 1, 2.
Savio, do you want to give some sort of benchmark where weight is concerned? Because someone may think they're stout, but they may actually be really thin. So do we want to put a...
They're going to be in for a shock. They're all going to be in for a shock. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have... Sir, please come.
Yeah! Okay, guys, all eyes are on the 4 gentlemen standing next to Savio.
So you should also stand. You should also stand here. We're going to take one of these beautiful slim ladies. This is the slimmest lady I can find to my... Come here, please. Okay. Hey, don't go, sir. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's your name? What? You can see... I can't imagine these people are pushing each other and bringing them there. So please, not your back, your front, we want to see. Come. What is your name? Bhavna, you're coming in the view of the camera. Hold on to this mic. Okay, Bhavna, we have these 1, 2, 3. Choose whatever you want to tell us. Now I'm leaving it to your soul judgment to decide whether they're telling you the truth, whether they're telling lies, or who's really the fattest. Okay. So are you joining in as well? Are you also joining in? Okay. So we're closing the barrier there. So I think you are coming for the youngest child competition. I'm sorry. No, don't go. So what is your name? Manoj Tiwari. What's your full name? Manoj Abraham. So what is your weight? 110. So I need a stool to talk to you. Okay. What is your name, sir?
My name is Venu.
Venu. What is your weight?
121.
121. So what is your name?
Youngest child, right?
Youngest child. What's your weight?
73.
73. Beautiful. This guy is going to be taking he's going to be taking part in acting in serials. Shruti is going to give him a break. What's your name?
Mahendra Chauhan.
Mahindra Chauhan. What is your weight?
78.
78.
78.
No, only 78.
Only 78. It is only 78. Okay. What's your name, Baji? What is your weight?
130.
120. Okay. Okay. What is your name, sir?
Vijay Dinanath Chauhan.
Can we have you say that again, please?
Vijay Dinanath Chauhan.
Please, everybody, let's give a huge round of applause to Vijay Dinanath Chauhan.
And what is your weight, sir?
180, I don't remember what plus.
Does he have a glass of alcohol in his hand? Please take it away.
From the time he has come, he's been touching the belly. Sir, sonography किया आपने देखा लड़का है लड़की क्या? Twins. Sir, what is your name?
Nitin.
What's your weight?
98.
Okay, thank you so much. What is your name?
Rohit Bakar.
Bakkar. What is your weight, sir? What's your weight?
About 84.
What is it? You're telling us your weight or your age? So, okay, so our judge, come, please. Stand in the frame, huh? Because you have to come on TV. Madam ko zara focus mein lena. We're going to start again. Sir, you said 110, 121,
130, 130.
73, 130.
180 plus.
180 plus. He's telling us his waist plus he's telling us his everything. He is in everything. 98. Okay. So who do you think is the fattest of them all? These two are the fattest, and you think they are also telling us the truth that they may be actually. You think he is not.
I'm very happy. Thank you. I'm very happy.
So we are giving it to only one person.
Then what?
No, that's got nothing to do, madam. No. She's more concerned. Move up, all of you. Tell them kindly, thank you for participating.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So only two contenders. I think let's give both of them a prize. That prize what we are giving, they will have to share it. Once they see it, they will share it. Sir, so we're going to give. Sir, what are you doing, sir? You're on a family channel, sir. Okay, where's my prize department child? Please come here. Thank you. We are giving you all VLCC vouchers. This is Cadbury's VLCC voucher. You all can both share it. It's only going to put on 5 calories each. Yes, sir.
This is not nice.
No?
I thought you were going to give us a special prize. What is this?
What is your definition of a special prize?
I would just recommend you run as far as you can. You're in very dangerous company right now. 1-2 किलो का हाथ पड़ेगा तुम
Thanks so much.
के अंदर बैठी होगी.
Can we have that one more spot prize for that? No, you.
I'll give you one.
Okay, beautiful. Okay. I'm feeling like Santa Claus. We have a lot. Don't worry. Thank you, Mr. Vinu. Thank you, sir. All the best. We've gathered a crowd.
I can see that Prita is back in the crowd. Maybe she's changed her mind and she wants to kiss one of the boys. Come on!
We're still looking for someone in the crowd who will still, that first gentleman who will come with a lipstick mark on the cheek.
Well, somebody needs to attack Prita.
So we have, ladies and gentlemen, let's have your attention. Our winner wants to say something. Say something, sir.
There is a proxy guy who's going to say something for you.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਫਤਿਹ.
Lovely. You've come with a lipstick mark on your cheek? 1 second. He's lying. Really? Who kissed you? Who kissed you?
I think he made one of the men wear the lipstick and kiss him.
Who's the lady who kissed him? No, seriously, sir. I'm not kidding.
Savio,
Yeah,
I'm
Shruti.
sorry, but you did not specify that only a girl had to kiss them. The boys can also apply lipstick
Oh my
and kiss.
God.
And I think that's exactly what's happened.
Okay, bye. What is going on in this party? The boys are kissing the boys. Darling, don't do
The
this.
girls are running a mile away.
Girls
I
are
can see
running
Prita
away.
standing there and looking.
We'll have to call Bobby, darling auntie. Okay, who kissed you? Someone kissed you or no?
Even I am looking for her.
You're also looking for her? बहुत ज़्यादा डर हो गया आपको. The point is, if someone has really kissed this gentleman, we want you to come to the front because he's got the kiss and you've got the prize. That's exactly how it works.
Don't embarrass her, yaar.
Again.
हाँ. ये वो पॉलिसी की जैसा है क्या? 1+1 family offer. Okay, good. Thanks. We're going to give him the prize. What's your name? I really don't know who's kissed you. I would love to meet that person.
I am Dheeraj Chaudhary.
Okay.
Savio, I think
My God. Wait. You shooting, you should... Boss, Zara, is there a zoom karna? Boss, who has kissed you? Kamla ka
Oh
Hamla.
my God.
Kamla from the Signal has kissed you. That's the most horrifying lip. He's drawn it. It's like, hey Raju, kidhar hai? Kidhar khilane ka? She's kissing me. See the lips.